It's time for Story with Miss Lori, and today we're going to read the book I Am the Rain, written and illustrated by John Patterson. Sometimes I'm the rain cloud, and sometimes I'm the rain. Sometimes I'm a roadside rapid, roaring down a drain. I can show you rainbows in mist or morning dew. I can be a muddy flood or a pool of aqua blue. Once I was a waterfall, but now I'm just a wave. At high tide, I'm the breaking swell that daring surfers brave. In winter, I'm the icy flake that's melting on your nose. As skiers ski and skaters skate, I'm sleeping when it snows. When springtime comes, I melt away and run into a creek. Waiting, I'm the ocean bay that searching rivers seek. Soon the summer sun is back and warms me with its rays. I rise in rumbling thunderheads like castles in the haze. In fall I sink into a fog and blanket chilly fields. With pumpkins touched by morning frost, the harvest season yields. You'll find me in the comet high, circling the stars. I'm also carving canyons deep on Earth and cousin Mars. Because of me, the land is green. I'm why the sea is blue. All of life depends on me. I'm even part of you. Soon I'll be a cloud once more, and then I'll fall as rain. My circle takes me wide and far, but I'll come round again. I am water. My circle is called the water cycle. I go around from condensation to precipitation, to collection, evaporation, around and around. I am water. The end.